Meet the 2025 Geely Monjaro, an SUV that might change how we think about Chinese cars forever. With bold design language, a luxurious cabin, high-tech innovation, and a safety suite that rivals premium European brands, the Monjaro is here to compete. But is it just another flashy design with no substance? Or does it deliver value in every detail? In this full review, we're going to explore every inch of the Geely Monjaro 2025. Its exterior styling, interior comfort, infotainment system, trunk capacity, driving experience, and most importantly, the safety technologies that could make or break your next car choice. Whether you're shopping for a new SUV or just curious if the Germans finally have a real rival, stay tuned. Exterior design. Let's begin with the visual impact. The 2025 Geely Monjaro has a presence, serious presence. At the front, a commanding grille flanked by ultra-slim LED matrix headlights gives it an aggressive yet futuristic expression. The DRLs carve a striking light signature that's unmistakable on the road, and honestly wouldn't look out of place on a $70,000 European SUV. The front bumper is sculpted with air ducts that aren't just for show. They enhance aerodynamic performance. Even the hood features dynamic character lines that flow with intent. From the side, the Monjaro looks powerful. The 20-inch turbine-style alloy wheels fill the arches nicely, while the roofline gently tapers back without compromising interior headroom. Chrome trim along the windows and flush door handles offer that extra touch of elegance. Around the back, you'll find full-width LED taillights connected by a light bar and a subtle roof spoiler for a sportier stance. The dual exhaust tips hint at the performance under the hood, and the rear bumper integrates silver accents that match the front. Chapter 4. Smart features and digital experience. Technology is no longer a luxury, as it's a daily necessity, and the 2025 Geely Monjaro delivers an experience that's not only smart, but surprisingly intuitive. Let's begin with the user interface. The vehicle runs on Geely's Galaxy OS, a highly responsive system with a clean, minimal design. Whether you're swiping through navigation, music, or vehicle settings, every interaction feels instant and fluid. One of the most futuristic features is the facial recognition system. The moment you sit in the driver's seat, the Monjaro scans your face, loads your personal profile, adjusts the seats, mirrors, climate control, even your favorite ambient lighting. Voice control is equally impressive. With just a "Hello Monjaro," you can adjust the temperature, open the sunroof, or change your driving mode, all without lifting a finger. It even supports gesture controls, letting you wave your hand to skip tracks or adjust volume, a feature typically reserved for luxury German cars. And yes, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are standard, offering seamless connectivity without cables. Whether you're navigating, streaming music, or taking calls, everything syncs perfectly with the onboard interface. The Monjaro also supports over-the-air software updates, meaning the car continues to evolve with time, just like a smartphone. From its advanced digital cockpit to AI-enhanced personalization, the Geely Monjaro 2025 sets a high bar for in-car intelligence. Build quality and materials. Looks can be deceiving, so let's talk about what really matters. Build quality. Open the door of the 2025 Geely Monjaro, and the first thing you'll notice is how solid it feels. The door closes with a reassuring thud. No hollow sounds or rattles. Inside, every surface is thoughtfully finished. From the soft touch dashboard to the suede-wrapped pillars and stitched leather seats, the cabin easily rivals premium offerings from Germany and Japan. The panel alignment is tight and consistent. Buttons and knobs have a premium tactile response, and there's no creaking or flexing even under pressure. That's the result of precise engineering. Geely has also prioritized cabin sound insulation. Laminated acoustic glass, multiple layers of sound dampening material, and precision seals around doors and windows ensure a whisper-quiet ride. During highway driving, wind and road noise are impressively muted, allowing you to fully enjoy the Sony sound system or simply the silence. Even under close inspection, the quality remains impressive. The stitching lines are clean, the ambient lighting is evenly diffused, and all materials feel durable yet refined. In short, the Geely Monjaro interior proves that high-quality build isn't exclusive to luxury badges anymore. The Monjaro delivers craftsmanship that speaks volumes, especially for the price. Interior and cabin comfort. Now step inside, because this is where Geely truly throws down the gauntlet. The first thing you'll notice is the premium ambiance. The 2025 Monjaro features a wraparound dashboard with a massive continuous screen setup, including a 12.3-inch digital cluster, a 12.3-inch central touchscreen, and a third display for the front passenger. Materials matter, and Geely knows this. We're talking real stitching, soft touch surfaces on nearly every panel, and aluminum-like trims on the doors and center console. The seats are nothing short of first class. They're wide, supportive, and multifunctional, heated, ventilated, and power adjustable with memory settings. In higher trims, they even offer massage functions for both front seats. In the back, rear passengers get reclining seats, independent climate controls, charging ports, and even sunshades. The floor is flat thanks to clever drivetrain packaging, making it ultra-comfortable for 3 adults. Technology and infotainment. The Monjaro isn't just luxurious, it's smart. The infotainment system is powered by Geely's Galaxy OS, with AI voice assistant, predictive navigation, App Store integration, and wireless smartphone mirroring through Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. And yes, it's fast and fluid. No lag, no cheap animations, just a clean UI that feels intuitive. A unique feature is the passenger display, which allows co-pilots to control media, navigation, or even stream videos. And with facial recognition for personalized driver profiles, the Monjaro knows exactly who you are and what you prefer. There's even gesture control for volume and climate, and over-the-air updates to keep your car evolving even after you buy it. Add to that a 10-speaker Sony sound system that delivers crisp highs and deep bass, and you have a tech ecosystem that rivals the best. Sound system and practical features. Comfort isn't just about materials, it's about what surrounds you. The 2025 Monjaro offers a 256-color ambient lighting system that adapts to your driving mode and time of day. There's also wireless charging, a head-up display, a smart key with remote climate preconditioning, and a voice-controlled panoramic sunroof. Need to keep your coffee hot or your phone cold? The cooled and heated cup holders have you covered. Everything feels designed around you. The driver, and that's something most vehicles under $50,000 rarely get right. Cargo space and storage. The Monjaro offers 562 liters of trunk space with the seats up, and over 1,300 liters when they're folded flat. You'll also find underfloor compartments for hiding valuables, grocery bag hooks, a 12-volt power outlet, and an electronic tailgate with foot sensor opening. For families or adventure seekers, this kind of space and flexibility is a major win. Safety features. Now we get to arguably the most important part, safety. Geely's L2 Plus Driver Assist Suite includes adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, automatic emergency braking, traffic jam assist, blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, and even fatigue detection using facial tracking. A full suite of airbags, reinforced high-strength steel chassis, and 540-degree camera system, including undercar views, make this SUV feel like a guardian on the road. And with a 5-star rating from CNCAP and great crash performance, you can be confident your family is protected. Driving experience. Under the hood, the Monjaro packs a 2.0-liter turbocharged engine producing 235 horsepower and 380 newton-meters of torque, paired with an 8-speed ASIN automatic transmission. acceleration is responsive, and the torque delivery is smooth. The ride is quiet, thanks to laminated glass and extra sound insulation. Final verdict. So, here's the truth. The 2025 Geely Monjaro is no longer just a Chinese car. It's a global contender. From its design and comfort to the tech and safety features, it punches well above its weight. And its price. Is it better than BMW or Audi? Maybe not in branding, but in value, practicality, and feature set? Absolutely. If you're in the market for a mid-size SUV in 2025 and want something bold, smart, and safe, the Geely Monjaro deserves your test drive. Don't forget to subscribe to AutoAuras for more expert reviews that help you choose the right car. Smarter,